everybody, we're here at the Ford World Headquarters, and as you can see behind me, we've got the championship winning vehicles. We're here to take a tour. We're gonna meet everybody, see Jim Farley, meet some of the Ford family, and I think we're going over to Flat Rock plant where they make the Mustangs. We're gonna see the new Mustangs coming out for 2024. So I'm really excited. We'll see what we can get into.
Plant, and all of the new Mustangs are coming off the line. There's a right-hand drive one coming through, and I'm a big right-hand drive fan with stuff. I think it's cool and kind of niche and exciting, so it's cool to see. Not every day I get the opportunity. How cool was that? Dude, that's so awesome. As a race car driver, getting to see that they actually put every Mustang that comes off the line, put it on the dyno, check calibrations, adjust timing. It's so cool to see the technology and how much work and effort. It's such an awesome experience, and I'm so grateful I got a chance to do it.
What a great year it's been in all forms of motorsports for Ford, whether it was on an oval track, street course, or in the desert dirt or sand. Ford continued to win races and championships.
Celebrating the Ford sweep in NASCAR, something that's so historic, and just being able to talk with Jim Farley and really be a part of the Ford family and just so amazing. So just an awesome day. Yeah, we had a fantastic day here at Ford World Headquarters. They've really got the performance and racing in their blood here.
It's nice to come to Ford HQ. It's good to see Mr. Farley. It's good to see a bunch of folks who work for Ford Motor Company. It's nice to see some new Mustangs getting built, and yeah, it's a great day.